Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm making a fun, quick project for you using a 10 by 10 chalkboard. And I have to tell you, this would make a really great sip and chalk or make and take. So if you're local to me, make sure you reach out to me and I'll share more information with you. Now I'm using two different transfers, and that's what I love about Chalk Couture is you can mix and match transfers to create any kind of design that you can come up with in your mind. Now this part is from our Mr. and Mrs. transfers, and then the center part is going to be from our Humble and Kind transfer. Now I am using our Chalkology chalk paste, and I have two new colors. This one is our emerald green, which is so pretty, and then I'm using our canary yellow, our custard, and then our other new color called Midnight Sky. And I love when you can put greens and blues together. I think it's so pretty. So same simple easy process. You remove your transfer, you apply it to your surface, you smooth out any air bubbles, you're going to apply your Chalkology chalk paste, you'll remove your transfer, put that in water, and then you'll clean it up again for future use, because remember, you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. Now if you'd love to learn more about hosting a make and take or ship a sip and chalk, just reach out to me. If you'd like to purchase products on your own, you can do that right on my website at chalkinwithjen.com. Or if you want to become a designer and share in this amazing opportunity, whether you want to do it as a hobby or a business, again, I would love to share that information with you. So just reach out to me with that as well. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video today, and please be sure you check out some of the others I have on YouTube. And I hope you love the end result of my Humble and Kind. Have a great day.